What's up everybody, how are you doing? In this video, I'm going to talk to you about a stock that I have been following for quite some time. That is Uber stock. I'm also going to share with you whether I'm going to buy Uber at the current price or not. So stay tuned for that. I'm sure most of you are familiar with Uber, but if not, Uber is a company that generates the majority of its revenue from its ride-sharing app. Uber also owns and operates other business segments such as Uber Eats, which is a food delivery app, Uber Freight, which connects truck drivers to shippers. Additionally, Uber has been working on some other future projects such as electric bike rental services, self-driving vehicles, and Uber Elevate, which is a program to develop vertical takeoff and landing aircraft to transport people. Now, let's talk about some fundamentals. The first thing that pops up when it comes to Uber is the company's lack of profitability. Looking at Uber's income statement, the company has lost money every single year aside from 2018, and the losses keep getting bigger. The current year, 2020, is expected to be exceptionally bad due to the global health crisis. Due to massive losses, the company has recently announced that it's going to let go of 25% of its workforce. Also, the company might shrink to ride-sharing and food delivery app as it is expected to abandon much of its future growth opportunities, such as self-driving cars, freight, flying cars, and other artificial intelligence projects. Additionally, Uber's core ride-sharing business was down more than 80% in April of 2020, and both Uber and its clients' behavior indicates that it's not coming back to previous levels for years. Currently, Uber stock is trading at about $34 range as of May 2020, which puts the company at a market cap of about $60 billion. So, do I think Uber is a good stock to buy right now? And my answer to that is not at the current price. In my opinion, Uber stock is currently overvalued and does not account for all the recent fundamental changes in Uber's business. So at the current price, I'm not going to buy Uber. In fact, I would be selling it if I had any. However, if it dips to the $15 range, I will be interested in owning it. That's all what I have for this video. I hope you found it informative. Please let me know in the comment section below your thoughts about Uber and if you are interested in buying it and at what price. Thanks for watching.